Krishna, he's trying to reach.
But he was hitting on his face and he got hurt because it's very hard.
You just watch it, Nan. Watch him, Nanna.
It's Daddy Lightning Dragon McQueen. I told you. Daddy, how about we clean this car? Daddy, how we had to clean this car because it's all messy. Daddy, baby is trying to eat my elbow.
No, Nanna. He's
But
just
I got hurt.
just playing with you, okay?
But he's hitting, but he's eating, but he's biting my elbow, and I got hurt already. No, he ate a little bit piece of my elbow there, but
Krishna,
now
can you tell to baby brother?
What, Daddy? Look, I was a baby. I used to tell something backwards. Ooh, ooh, ee, ee, ah, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, ah, ra, la, wa. I used to say like that when I'm small. Or how about kaka, kiki?
Cheppu.
Kaka, kiki, ko, kau. Ke, kai, kam, kaha.
Gaga Gigi Cheppu. Gaga Gigi Gugu Gege Gaya.
Gaga, gigi, gugu, gege, ai, kam, kaha.
Okay, Cheppu.
Yay!
Hey! పిచ్చి పట్టిందా?
Kaka, kiki, ko, kau, kam, kai, kam, kaha. Kaka, kiki, ku, kau, kai, kam, kaha.
మీకు ఈ ఫోటో చూస్తే అర్థం ఉందండి, మీకు ఏం తోచట్లేదు.
Lightning Dragon McQueen!
కానీ ఊ చెప్పు, నన్ను వాడు ఊ చెప్పమను. కానీ నేను ఊ చెప్పమను.
Can you say, ooh?
వాడి చేతి ఊ చెప్పచ్చు, ఊ కొట్టు కన్నయ్య అని చెప్పు.
Say, ooh.
వాడు ఊ చెప్తే ఐ విల్ టేక్ యూ టు మూవీ, ఓకే? We can go to Viraj's house.
Ouch! But we don't know the number of Viraj's house.
ఏంటండి?
I want to tell Vivek uncle that I want to tell Vivek uncle that I moved from Sontra to Villa Salerno. Again, Daddy, I like this place again. Daddy, by the time we started and then we came here again.
టికెట్ తీసుకుని ఎప్పుడు తీసుకుని వెళ్ళచ్చు. టికెట్స్ ఇక్కడ మన ఇండియాలో కాదండి, ఆ షోకి ఉండవు. టికెట్ తీసుకుని ఎప్పుడైనా వెళ్ళచ్చు.
Daddy, once can Aditya come and see our new home?
ఏంటండి? అలా కాదండి, మన ఏ షోకైనా వెళ్ళిపోవచ్చు. టికెట్
అదే రోజు ఏదో
ఎప్పుడే వెళ్ళిపోతుంది.
Daddy, baby was scratching me on my face. Look, do you see here? Baby was scratch me here. Daddy, baby was scratch me here.
చెప్పు నాన్న చెప్పు.
Look, I'll tell you how he scratches me.
కన్నయ్య చెప్పు. He's trying to catch cat. ఊకట్టు నాన్న ఊకట్టు. అక్కడ చెప్పు.